Hello, welcome to our craft class. Today we are going to make a paper flowers using only white paper. So everyone can make this. So let's start. We only need a 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter square paper. So you need to make a petals. So first we are going to make 3 petal flower. So watch carefully and do. Now you are going to fold this into a triangle shape just like this. Draw the shape of the petal on the open side and then cut using a scissors. So you have to be careful while cutting with the scissors. So when you open, you will have a 3 petal flower. So you need to make 4 3 petal flowers like this. So to get the shape of the petal, you need to use the scissors to fold it very carefully. So while doing this, you have to hold your flower in the center. So be careful while doing it. So you need total 4 3 petal flowers. So now we are going to take another square paper which is 1 centimeter less than the previous one. Now we are going to make a 5 petal paper flower. So once you have made a crease here, you have to fold it very carefully. So I have also shown how to make a 5 petal paper flower in the first craft class. So if you haven't watched, you can go and watch that also. So and draw the shape of the petal. In the same way, you also need to cut this just like you have done it for the previous paper flower. But now you are going to get a 5 petal paper flower. So see how easy to make a 5 petal paper flower. So you also need to use scissors to make the petals. So you need 3 of these 5 petal paper flowers like this. So now we are going to make the flower. Once you have cut all the petals, now you need to attach them. That is very simple and very easy. So you use a glue. If you have the glue gun, you can go ahead and use it. First attach the 3 petal paper flowers. So this is the outer part of the flower. So once you attach this 3 petal paper flowers, then you can attach the 5 petal flowers. So 5 petal flowers comes in the center of the flower. Once you have glued these 5 petal flowers, try to fold them very carefully. So this forms the center of the flower. So this is very simple and very easy. So once you have cut down your paper petals, the last part is very easy. You just need to attach them and then your paper flower is ready. See, now you are going to attach your center part of the flower. Let's see how it's going to look. Fold all the petals towards the center, and that's it. The paper flower is ready. So you can use these paper flowers in the flower vase. You can attach the stem. So if you want to know how to make a stem, you can go and check my craft class too. I would link it in the description, or if you have the wire you can also attach the wire. So the tutorial of this paper leaves is also shown in the last class, so please do check that and subscribe for more such interesting videos. And also do let me know what kind of videos would you like to watch on this channel. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye bye.